Hello, everybody. My name is Nathan Holmquist, and I want to do a programming everyday kind of series, mainly to get myself to learn how to do these things. So I think I'm probably just going to try to learn how to make a website. I had ChatGPT just print out some random stuff so I can kind of get an idea of how the structure and syntax of it works. But I'm gonna try to just make my own from scratch. If I open this in my browser, it's shit. It's not that great, but no, that's me. But we can kind of start over here. So let's get rid of these. All right, we'll just start here. So, bro, let me delete this. Am I stupid? Why does delete doesn't work? I can't. Oh, I forgot. I have Vim motions on. Doc type, HTML, and then I don't need a closing one. So HTML, let's get a head, and then after the head, let's get a body. Screw this, I don't want this, don't give it to me. And a head and a body. All right, let's look up, what else we got? HTML, basic intro. So title is the thing that, this is gonna pop up at the top of the screen. So let's say Nathan's website, cool. And if I put something in the body right now, like a header, welcome to my website. And then, what the hell? Paragraph. I am not, wow, it's making fucking Copilot. I hate it. Let's go. This is a paragraph. I am the P. Oh wait, that's gonna P. Is that gonna fuck shit? It will fuck shit up. This paragraph. It has a ton of words in a smaller font. There you go. If you can hear that, that is the washing machine to my right. Loud as hell. But what else? We can do header 1, header 2. Is this a header? Is this a second head? Because this is... Oh, wait. I think H1, H2 is just how big the header is. Let's see. Let's make H2 second header. And then let's even do a H3. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Copilot. That's actually not terrible. And then let's open it. Welcome to my website, second header, third header. This is a paragraph. It has a ton of words in a smaller font. And I got my little name up here. Great. That's just wonderful. So let's keep going. Easy to learn, easy to use, platform independent, images, visual. Hypertext can be added to the text. So that's like links. Yeah. Okay. HTML elements and tags. HTML uses predefined tags and elements. Okay. That instruct the browser on how to display the content. HTML elements include the opening tag, some content, and a closing tag. I knew that. It's important to remember to include closing tags. If omitted, the browser applies the effect of the opening tag until the end of the page. Nice. So it doesn't like crash at compile time, or does it compile? Does HTML? It's not. It doesn't compile. Does HTML? It just crashes it. It doesn't even crash at runtime. It just doesn't work how you want it. It's not compiled. It's interpreted by your browser when you visit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. HTML page. Okay, here we go. Doc type tells the version of HTML. Root head used to use the metadata, so the stuff that I don't see. Hold the content of the HTML, so everything goes inside the body. I knew all of this so far. Style. Okay. HTML tag allows us to insert styling. So what I know right now is that I have HTML for the actual content, I have CSS for styling, and I have JavaScript for interactivity. So like hovering over something or sending of like a box of text that the user writes into like a database. I think that's what it's used for. I'm kind of sure on that, but I'm not completely sure. Okay. HTML, I know that. Head, the behind the scenes element for a web page. Elements within the head aren't visible on the front end. HTML elements used inside the heading element include style, title, base, no script. Okay, what is style? Allows us to insert styling into our web pages and make them appealing to look at with the help of CSS. Okay, I'm gonna need to learn that later, but so far I'm gonna keep with HTML. Title, displayed at the top of your. Okay, so that's this like Nathan's website. Base. It specifies the base URL for all relative URLs in the document. I don't know what that means. No, I have a piece of gum. Forgot to eat. The URL tag, base tag, is used to specify a base URL or target for relative links. This URL will be the base URL for every link on the page and will be prefixed before each of them. Oh, okay. Wait. Then every will be. Okay, so that's sick. So if that's nice. I understand what this is. Basically, if I have like URLs that are in my HTML, you don't obviously want to type https://www dot and then whatever it is. You can put in the base as https://www dot, and then every other hyperlink on the page can just be the end of that. So like youtube.com instead of https://www.youtube.com. Okay, that makes sense. Defines a section of HTML that is inserted when the scripting has been turned off. Okay. I'm not going to worry about that. I have no idea what the fuck that is. This tag is used to add functionality to the web page with the help of JavaScript. Okay. Meta. Let's see. Where am I? They can still hear me. Let's go. This tag is the link tag. The link tag is used to tie together HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. Link between the current document and an external resource, often for style sheets. Syntax. Not completely sure. Example. Let's just fucking copy this. Make another one. Test.html. Oh. And let's run it. What? This looks like ass. It's not even, there's nothing on the page. What is the problem? Oh, I don't have a style that's, yeah. What? It doesn't. What? Whatever. I'll think about it later. Let's go back. Okay, I know I need to have this, but where? Let's put it up here. Maybe? I could just check. In the head. I need to get back into Vim. Or I like to use NeoVim. Where? In the head. So a dot paste. Get out of here. Yeah. So this should not change much. It should just tell it what to render it with. Yeah. Nothing changed. So where is that guy's Alex Chen or Alec Chen.dev? I want my shit to look kind of like this. This is what I'm. Is this the same font? What font is this? Is that a thing? What? I wonder if that's an app. What font is this? Font Finder. An image? I can't just paste it. That's kind of cool. Where did it go? It was just here. Extensions. Details. Why can't I just bring it out? Where is it? Oh. Okay. Is it gonna do anything? What is the point of this? Oh. To give an extension access to the site, click it. Oh. Oh! And then what is it on mine? I have to click it again. God damn it. What? What does it do? Whatever. Do they kind of look the same? Let's check. Side by side. Oh my god, it works everywhere. What is... Okay. So now... Here. Pin what font? Let's open it. Let's open it now. No, okay. It doesn't want to work for me. That's fine. I'll figure this out later. It doesn't really matter. The font is probably the last thing I need to check. Let's get rid of all this. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. How do I move these around? Like, how do I move these around? I need to center it. How do I do this? Blah 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 blah. Okay, I don't think it's gonna tell me. Let's find a different place. YouTube. Great. Every single time I open YouTube, I see another one of his videos where it's like, we're doomed. 32 minutes, 4K views. God. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, how to move items around in HTML.
Okay, in this tutorial, for a lot of reasons, let's just copy this into a new HTML file using our favorite editor, Caret.
Okay, so I can do this within HTML, but I can also probably give it an ID and do it in a completely standalone CSS file. With an external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire, yeah, whatever. I'm gonna be honest, this is a ChatGPT-able. Like, give me one of these. What is L in this line? Is it just the name? Okay, if I say style sheet, it links a CSS file to the HTML. Okay. Yeah, I just need this. But I'm not gonna name it my style. And where does it go? Head? In the head? Everything goes in the head, I guess. I continue to forget that I installed Vim Motions on VS Code because I saw that it was a good idea. I don't know if I like it. I'm gonna be honest. Like, they say you gotta get good at it, but it's terrible. I hate using it. It's not terrible though, but it's not really fun. I'm gonna get rid of this. Get out of here. And then website.css. Not very. Could have used visual mode. Let's try that. I am in B. Wrong way. More to the right. What the fuck? What the fuck? Delete. And then I. And then website.css. Escape. So now I have to give these ID names, no? Body. Oh, I don't have to give them ID names. I just need to. I'm not doing internal. That looks dumb. It obviously needs to be in the same directory. Let's try this. So the body is going to have a background hyphen color, margin hyphen left color. So if I were to post, where is this? Did I have a, oh. But it changes the background, the entire background. Like H1 is not navy. It doesn't change color. What if I made it red? Oh. Header. Oh. Not the paragraph. Okay, that makes sense. I mean, this website looks like Dutch. But, I think the background needs to stay white. Or whatever this, like, light gray kind of thing is. Okay, you need to turn off, please. Is there any way I can look at this? Head? Oh, shut up. Background color dark. I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm looking at right now, but I assume that this is the number hashtag 180270. It's like a dark ass blue. Where is that? Oh. Hashtag E7EDFF. Yeah, that looks much better. If I were to put the background color as, oh, where am I? And then maybe right. Let's check it. It's still a little bit lighter. Maybe I can just like, let's just copy the hex. See if this gets what I want. Did that change anything? I need lighter. Alright, if I just picked like something here. I'm not I'm focusing too much on this random BS. I like it. Whatever. Do not add a space between the property value and the unit. Okay. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Ugh. Okay. Inline. So I guess I do need to like kind of understand these, because if I were to make a CSS file, it would be for the more general circumstances. Holy shit, that's Eli. I'm gonna text him something and it's gonna blow his mind. I'm gonna text him what he just said to somebody else in the hallway. So what I was gonna say is that I think that I should learn the internal and inline CSS a little bit, because it makes more sense if like specific things on the website are not general. So you wouldn't put the CSS file inside of it, or kind of, yeah. So you can just do it right with style equals, and then everything you want to do separated by a colon. Loses many advantages of a style sheet by mixing content with presentation. Use this method sparingly. An inline style loses many of the advantages of a style sheet by mixing content with presentation. Okay, so don't do what I was thinking. If some properties have been defined for the same selector in different style sheets, the value from the last read style sheet will be used. Assume that an external style sheet has the following style. Okay, then assume that an internal style sheet also has the following style. Orange. So you have a .css saying navy and a HTML that has a style sheet inside of it, kind of like this. Inline, something like that. Internal, yeah. If the internal style is defined after the link to the external style sheet, the H1 elements will be orange. So if it's defined after the link, so that's basically, it overwrites it. Okay. So always write, sorry. So if you want to branch away from the CSS file in an element that has styles from your CSS, you want to make it after the link. But that's, obviously you have to, because the body is after the head, no? And you have to have the link in the head, I guess. Oh, wait, no. In the style. Oh. It's internal, not inline. So you can do it in the style section of the HTML. Okay. Understood. Read this. Cascading order. What style will be used when there are more than one style specified for an HTML element? All of the styles in a page will cascade into a new virtual style sheet by the following rules, where number 1 has the highest priority. Inline, external, internal, browser. So if I have a style a style external and a style internal, it's going to go with the inline. That makes sense. Because it's the closest, like physically, to the code? I don't know. Who knows? Treat yourself with exercises. Oh, great. Add an external style sheet with the URL mystyle.ss. Okay, so style. Oh, what the style? And then what I had before, which was link. Jesus. Link equals rel. What was it? Link rel equals style sheet. So then link. Oh. I think that's right. Link rel style sheet. There needs to be no spaces. I think I don't have any space. I think that's right. Okay. What is this element for background color? It's B. I mean, this is. I know that this is background color equals. Is it H1? Body. Body, obviously. Oh. Oh, it's a colon, not a equal sign. There we go. Set up the page's background color to red by using an inline style. That was easy. Insert the missing parts to make the CSS code correct. P. What? Paragraph. Is it just... Okay. I'm gonna keep doing this. Honestly, this is helping me. Background color to the H1 element to light blue. Back. I think that's correct. Set paper.gif as the background image. Oh, I don't know how to do this. I feel like I have to. It's only giving me the file name, so it's assuming that it's. I mean, not obviously, but I'm assuming that it's in the directory with me. Let's see. How do you make a background image for CSS? I don't know. Body background image URL paper.gif. Oh, this is the answer to this. It's the same question. But so it's background URL and then something like that. Is that correct? Body. I already have that. Background dot image. Oh, background dot background slash image colon URL. This is all new. I think that's right. Make the background image repeat only vertically. What does that even mean? Make the background image repeat only vertically? What? What would this do? Oh. So it's what is the point of this? I guess it's just to do that exact thing, but it seems like such a specific. 1, 2, 3. They're all the same photo, no? Also, okay. I get syntax is background dot repeat and cool. Who knows, something around there. Background dash repeat X or Y. Was it Y? Is repeat spelled R-E-P-E-A-T? R-E-P-E-A-T. Okay, I'm not insane. Repeat dash Y. Correct. I needed a bev. I need to bring a bev. Background image should be shown once in the top right corner. Why would I need 2 lines for this? Shouldn't I be able to just say, like, specify that the background image should be shown once in the top right corner? I don't know how to do this. What? Why would I need to, why do I need to specify that background repeat is no repeat? Why is that not default? Why the hell would I want to repeat my background? Why would I specify that I don't want to? This is a ChatGPT question. Why do I, here. I'm just gonna be like, why do I? And it's gonna be like, because you idiot. Why do I have to specify that my background shouldn't be repeated? Is that not default? Oh, okay, that makes so much more sense. So if the background image is smaller than the background, it will just tile it. So that's why background green or whatever is like, I don't see this as a problem, because it's not a problem, because this is only an issue if the image is smaller than the web, if you're not stretching it, I think. So background.repeat is by default on to tile, maybe, and I need to check it to say no repeat, because I only want it to be in the top right corner. So background.repeat, no repeat, don't tile, and the only little image that I want is in the top right. Okay. So let's go background dot repeat, no repeat, and then background dash position, top right, maybe? What was it? Background. Oh Jesus! I just made spelling here. Top space right for some reason. Why is that 2 words? Correct. Use the correct background property to make the background image not scroll with the rest of the page. Don't know how to do that either. Let's look here. Just click on it. Background image. That obviously looks weird because it's a gradient. Okay, that makes sense. Because if it's repeated horizontally, then the gradient from up to down isn't being affected. Because it's a gradient from the top down, and you can put as many side by side of those as you want. Okay. What do you need? Sorry. People on my Frisbee team are asking who wants to get a haircut, and I'm like, no. Whether background image should scroll or be fixed. This is it. We need this. I don't know what the hell I just did, but will not scroll with the rest of the page. Attachment. Am I typing too much? Doesn't like me doing that. Fixed? Yeah. Oh geez. Use the border shorthand property to set a 4px dotted red border for the p elements. Is this literally it? Oh, there. I don't need commas. Okay. Fuck it, I'm signing up. Screw it. I'm making an account. That was really slow. Do I sign in with my GitHub? Sure. Authorize. Hell no. Freak. Where the hell was I? I need to go back. My learning. What? What? It's not saving my progress like it said it would. This is bullshit. Damn you stupid. Made me make an account saying that it would keep my progress. Look at this. Log in to keep your progress. Sign up to keep your progress. You're a company that is literally making websites. How does this not work for you? Whatever. All right. Border 4px dotted red. Next border color. Let's fucking see. What? Ow. I have no clue. Rounded borders. I'm gonna copy this. What does this look like? One second, I gotta answer. No, I don't. Not right now. All right, I've learned a little bit more. Let's get back to the website. So let's add some actual content. Let's not call it Nathan's website. Let's call it the title. What are titles of YouTube? Honestly, Nathan. Why is it so delayed? What the fuck? Nathan Lundquist's website, sick. Head should be is there 2 exclamation marks? Oh no, it's one, it's just a period. And I'm gonna get rid of these headers real quick. Get out of here. I'm a student at This is painfully slow. I don't understand why it's being like this. Oh, I'm at 1%. All right, well, I'll see y'all in next video. Bye-bye. I'm at 1%. I'm gonna die. I'll start it off next time. Bye-bye.